Virtualization. Introduction, characteristics of virtualization environment, taxonomy of virtualization techniques, pros and cons of virtualization technology, examples Jane, KVM, Microsoft Hyper. Storage in cloud, storage system architecture, big data, virtualized data center, VDC architecture, VDC environment, server storage network, desktop and application, virtualization techniques and benefits, virtual machine components and process of converting physical to VMs, blocks and file level storage, virtualization techniques and benefits, virtual provisioning and automated storage tiering, VLAN, vSAN and benefits, network traffic management techniques in VDC, cloud life system, cloud file systems, GFS and HDFS, big table, HBase and Dynamo, features and comparison among GFS and HDFs, cloud computing platforms, infrastructure and service based of breed cloud, infrastructure, components, cloud ready coverage, infrastructure, virtual machine, provisioning and migration services, autonomy of cloud infrastructure, distributed management of virtual infrastructures, scheduling techniques, SLA, commitment, cloud monitoring and management, introduction and architecture for federated cloud computing, performance prediction for HPC on cloud, SLA management, types of SLA, life cycle of SLA, traditional approach of SLA, service catalog, service ordering, process management, functional interfaces of service, cloud portal and its functions, cloud in preferences standard among with SOAP and REST, system integration and workflow modeling, cloud service life cycle phase, service planning, service creation, service operation and service termination, control layer in its functions, service planning, service creation, service operation and service termination, control layer, its function and benefits, elements of unified manager software, defined approach and techniques for management resources, security in cloud computing, introduction, global risks and compliances, aspect in cloud environments, case security, terminology, logic for data security, risk, cloud computing, identity, digital identity and access management, content level security, security as a cloud service, cyber security, security basics, introduction, elements of information security, security policies, techniques, steps, categories, operation model of network security, basic terminology in network security, data encryption techniques and standards, encryption method, symmetric, asymmetric cryptography, substitution cipher, transposition ciphers, stenography, application limitation, block ciphers and method of operation, crystal cipher, data encryption standard, DES, triple DES, DS design criteria, weak case in this algorithm, advanced encryption standard, AES, public key management, K cryptography, RSA algorithm, K length security key functions, Diffie-Hellman, K elliptic curve, arithmetic cryptography, security authentication method, message digest, Curvisos, authentication service implementation, algorithm of standard, DSS authentication, local security requirements, electronic mail security introduction, pretty good privacy, MIME, S-MIME comparison, IP security, IPv6, IPv4, IP security protocols and operations, AH protocols, ESP protocols, ISAC-MP protocol, OK determination protocol, VPN, web security introduction, secure socket layer, SSL, SSL session and connection, SSL record protocol, change cipher, Spectro protocol, alert protocol, handshake protocol, secure electric transaction, SET, intrusion and firewall, intrusion detection, IDS, need, method, types of IDS, password management, limitation and challenge, firewall introduction, characteristics and types of benefits and limitation, firewall function, trusted system, security perspective, its countermeasures, remote connectivity and VoIP, hacking, mobile hacking, hardware, application and data countermeasures, general example scenario, desktop network, web database, source hacking, software tool, dark web, illegal hacking, software tool, and their countermeasure, yellow and blue hacking software tool and its countermeasures. Concept with mathematical treatment, theory of operational data and informational data, introduction to business intelligence, designing BI cycle, BI environment and architecture, identity, BI opportunities, benefits of BI, business intelligence, role of mathematical model in business intelligence, factors responsible for successful business intelligence project, obstacles to business intelligence in organization, decision making concept, concepts of decision making, techniques of decision support system, DSS, device management system, application of DSS, business intelligence in DSS, distributed, pre-processing and outliers, data cleaning, data interrogation, reduction, data transformation, data discretization and concept hierarchies, generation, models planning, model building, communication, results and findings, operational results and finding of operationalizing, introduction to OLAP, real world application, types of outliers, outliers challenge, outlier detection method, proximity based outliers analysis, clustering based outliers and design and management BI system, determining infrastructure requirements, planning for scalability and availability management, managing and maintenance of BI systems, managing BI operators and business continuity, BI and data mining application, data analytics and business analytics, ERP and business intelligence, limitations, application in CRM, BI application marketing, BI application marketing and production, role of BI intelligence, BI application in banking, BI application in telecommunication, BI application in fraud detection, BI application in retail industry, operation search for in scientific application, introduction to open operation, origin of OR, nature, implication and phase, operation research as tool for development, support system productivity improvement, overview of OR research techniques, deterministic or models, fundamental of linear programming models, assumptions of linear programming, graphical method of solving LP linear programming, simplex method for solving linear programming extension, formulation of transformation problem, transpiration problem, method of initial feasible solution, method of optimum solution, unbalanced transportation problem, introduction to assignment problem and solution, game and querying theory, Assumption and comparison PERT CPM, algorithm of PERT CPM techniques, fundamentals of network model, guidelines for network construction, critical path analysis method based on time estimate to find critical path, concept of slacks and floats in network analysis, project evaluation review techniques. PERT, dynamic programming terminology, multi-decision process, Bellman's principle of optimality, characteristic dynamic programming, problem dynamic programming, algorithm solving LPP using dynamic programming, recent development in or with irrespective of biotechnology. Mobile application, mobile development, important of mobile based application, mobile methodology work, mobile web application, creating consulting services for mobile web services sites starting with advanced applications. Introduction of WAP2, fragmentation, display input methods, browsers and web platform tools for mobile development. Application architectures and design, mobile strategy, navigation, decision and user interface and experience, WML, HTML, mobile profile and basics, mobile HTML5, CS5 for mobile, WCSS extension, CSS3, CSS for mobile browser, HTML5 compatibility level, basics of mobile HTML5 document, head document, body HTML mobile by boilerplate, the content HTML5, form decision, attributes validation, image multimedia, client side data, site detection device, image, video, audio, basics. Execution, supported technology and APIs, standard Java script behavior, Java libraries, mobile libraries, UI frameworks, SendTouch, jQuery mobile, Invo, Montage IUI, jQTouch, JavaScript mobile UI pattern, advanced application, geolocation and maps app, offline apps, storage networks, distribution and social web